Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a favicon like this one in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and before adding or creating my favicon, first let's give it a visit. As you see, my website does not have or does not use a favicon. To start using it, it's simple. Just to go back to this website builder page, then click on these three dots or more settings and select general settings, and here open favicon. Here you will not see replace image, you will see something like use your icon, upload your icon, or anything similar to this. Click on it, and here upload your favicon from your computer, and you will see it uploaded here. After that, click on this select button, and you will start seeing it here, and this is a preview. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And you will start seeing it here, and this is a preview. Click on Save Changes, and don't forget to update your website from this corner. Click on View Site, and just like that, your new favicon will start showing in the web browser tab like this. If you don't have a favicon yet, you can use it using this free website called favicon.io. favicon.io. Click on Generator. Here you can generate a favicon using text. For example, just fill in the first letter of your website name. In my case, Ben's tutorial, so I will go with the letter B. Here in the background, you can select between a square background, a circle, and as you see here, you can see a preview. As you select, I will go with this rounded square. Here you can select your text font. I think this font family is good. Here you can edit the font size. For example, let's go with 60, it's small. 100 is good. Here you can select your font color or your text color. Let's go test black and white. You can even see the preview here. I think the font family is not suitable. This one is simple. Ubuntu. This is an OS name, Linux Ubuntu. This one is good, so the text or the font size will be a little bit bigger. Now click on download. A compressed file is downloaded to my computer. Let's decompress it like that. Now these are my website icon. Now go back to the website builder. Same thing, click on three dots, general settings, Favicon, replace image, then upload files. Locate your Favicon. I will use the biggest one, 512. Now click on select, then hit save, close this window, and don't forget to update your website. Now when I refresh this page, my new Favicon should show up here. And this is how to add a Favicon to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.